Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding gate. First, carefully plan your gate's dimensions. Measure the opening width and height to ensure your gate provides complete coverage. Next, decide on your gate material. Common choices include sturdy steel, lightweight aluminum, or classic wood. Then select the correct hardware such as a robust track, smooth gliding rollers, and a reliable motor if you desire automation. Finally, prepare your site by ensuring the ground is perfectly level and clear of obstructions for seamless operation. Now let's focus on the foundation and track. Begin by digging a trench for your concrete foundation, which will run the entire length of your gate's travel path. Pour a reinforced concrete slab, typically at least 4 inches deep and 12 inches wide, to provide a stable base. Once cured, carefully mount the gate track directly onto this concrete foundation. It is crucial to ensure the track is perfectly level and straight to guarantee your gate slides effortlessly and without any hitches. Next, we'll build the gate frame itself. Construct your gate frame using your selected material, whether it's steel, aluminum, or wood, making sure it is perfectly square for structural integrity. Attach the gate rollers to the bottom edge of the frame. These will sit directly on the track. Additionally, install a guide roller at the top of the gate to prevent it from tipping and to maintain stability. Double-check that your completed gate frame fits the opening with about 1/2 inch of clearance on all sides. Finally, let's consider automation and finishing touches. Install your chosen gate motor, securely attaching it to the gate and connecting it to the track for automated opening and closing. Integrate essential safety features, such as photocells to detect obstructions and an easily accessible emergency stop button. Apply a protective finish, like paint or sealant, to your gate material to enhance its durability and appearance. Thoroughly test the gate's operation multiple times to ensure it moves smoothly, quietly, and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.